Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So I have a very exciting video for you guys today. It's something a little different and kind of along the same lines as what I've been doing, but Glamnetic has sent me some items to try and I'm super excited. It's part of the reason why I look a little strange because I don't have my eyeliner and lashes done. So Glamnetic is a company who specializes in false lashes, but they're special kind of lashes. They're magnetic. I'm so excited to try Glamnetic because I've heard so many good things about them, seen so many reviews, I've been eyeing them, I haven't really decided on what I wanted, and I got really lucky that they ended up gifting me these products. So I'm so excited to try and give you guys my first impressions reaction to them and see if they really work or not. I'm really curious because this is some new technology for me because I'm just so used to using my liquid liner and then my stick-on falsies, the glue-on ones. So that's what I've been using for years, and this is going to be something new for me to try. I have tried one pair of magnetic lashes and they were so hard for me to deal with. They're the ones that have two sides where there's two magnetics, but it's not with the liner. The liner I have to do separately with normal liner. So for me, that was a bit of a challenge. I'm hoping that this will make my process time a lot faster. Although I am fairly quick at doing lashes because I've been doing them for so many years that I'm just very used to it. But I'm really excited to see how much this is gonna cut back on my time. These are the 4 items that Glamnetic has gifted me. The first pair of lashes is called the Boss Babe. So these ones are pretty full and really long. The next pair of lashes is called VIP. And these ones aren't as full as the Boss Babe, but these ones I find you can probably get away with everyday look, whereas the Boss Babe I feel like are more on the glamorous side. But regardless, it doesn't matter, you can wear whatever the heck you want to wear every day. It's whatever you like and what makes you feel confident. The last 2 items, this is the liner, and then these are some false nails. They're press-on nails. I'm really excited because I honestly have not gone to the salon to get my nails done since March of last year, so it's been a long time. I'm going to save these press-on nails for another time because right now I don't have too many events going on, and I'm currently working on a lot of projects that require me to use my hands a lot, and I know for a fact that I'm going to end up destroying these nails, and I think that would be such a waste if I do destroy them. So I'm going to save them, and hopefully when the time comes for me to wear them, I will film and do a whole review on them. But for now, we're just going to focus on the lashes. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. This is the liner. I'm going to start off with Boss Babe. We'll see how these work. This tray, you slide it open like that. And once you are finished using them, you can definitely put this back on the tray here and then close it up, and it's good to use for another time. It is fine tip. It's a felt tip. I love felt tip. Ooh, so far so good. I like how it's sturdy. So that's one side done. So what I like to do after I have my eyeliner on is curl my lashes a little bit, and that's only because naturally my lashes tend to go down, so I like to just have them up. So it'd be kind of strange to have my natural lashes go down like this and then have the false lashes go like this, so there's that weird gap in between. So I like to try to fill that gap, even though I don't think people really notice that. It's just something that I see. My lashes have been curled and I'm so excited to try this now. I'm going to, ooh, whoa, that is so cool. So you just take it and it should just snap on. Oh wow, whoa. Oh my god, these are huge. That's looking a little strange. That was really easy to apply, and this is way thicker than I'm used to wearing for lashes. Let's do the other side. So this is the first set, which is the Boss Babe. They were so easy to apply and they are magnetic. I feel like if you were to tug on them, then they'll pull right off. This is the first set of lashes. They're really full. I'm not used to wearing this much lash. So these are the Boss Babes. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel these lashes off, and then I'm gonna put on the next set. So all you have to do is just gently peel them off. They peel off so quickly. I just feel like these aren't gonna stay. If it's super windy, I feel they're not as strong. So I'm tugging. It does pop off. It's not as sturdy as I'd say glue, but this is definitely a good alternative to quickly put it on. We are going to do VIP, open it up like this, and we're gonna do the same thing. That was really easy. On the other side here, I bet this would be easier with tweezers, but I just wanted to see how it would do without tweezers. I think I like these more than the other ones just because they are more natural looking. The other ones were just too full for me. I'm not used to it. I feel like I could just throw these on when I don't want to take the time to do gluing. This is definitely easier. I would not wear this on a super windy day. I feel like they'd blow away. So what's my overall feel and thoughts on these products? Let me tell you. So what I like about these is that there is no glue involved, which means you don't have to wait around for that glue to get tacky, and you don't get the mess all over your lid that you sometimes might get if you're not as precise with it. Whereas these ones, all you have to do is just put on the liner and then stick on the lashes, and there's nothing else that you need because it's just those two things. It's super easy. You don't need tweezers. As you saw, I just used my fingers. I'm sure with tweezers it'd be easier, but honestly it was so quick. And it's so easy to just peel off and put back on if you don't like the placement of where it is on your lid. I've never gotten lash extensions done at all, so I don't know the difference between those two. I can't speak on that. So would I recommend these? Yes, honestly I would. For me, I just feel like they're not as secure. So I would recommend trying this if you're looking for something that's very easy. If you're not someone who's good with gluing their lashes down, this is definitely an easier alternative. I think that the lifespan of these are definitely going to be longer than using synthetic glue, because with the glue you keep peeling off layers and layers of it, and it's kind of thick when you do it because you can't just put too thin of a line of glue because then it's not going to stick to your eyes. With this, I feel like I don't need to put mascara on to hold the lashes in place. This is held by the magnetic liner itself, so that makes it so much easier. Are they like really wind resistant? I haven't been outside and it's not very windy at this moment, so I can't test that. If you want something quick and easy, you have no time to sit there, you just want to bang out your makeup, this is it. You don't have time to get your lashes done, this is it. I'm not just saying that because they gifted me these. I really truly believe that this is something that I'm going to be reaching for when I just don't feel like I want to be using glue. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video. I do have a coupon code. You guys can use it. It's right here on the screen, as well as the description box down below, where I've also linked the products that were mentioned in this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. I'd be happy to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Glamnetic for gifting me these products. I'm so happy and so thrilled that you guys have sent me these because I've been eyeing your products for so long. So this is really nice. So thank you so much. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next one. Bye!